Okay, let's evaluate the following integral. It is cosine of x times natural log of sine of x. And we're going to use integration by parts to solve it. Recall that integration by parts formula is the integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du. So all we have to do is carefully pick what u and what v dv are in this integral. U clearly has to be natural log of sine x, because if that's passed on to dv, we would have to find an integral of ln of sine, which is pretty difficult to do. So dv is going to be cosine x dx. If this doesn't work, if we end up with the second integral being more difficult and not solvable, then we may have to come back and see what else we can do. But for now, that has to be the choice. Let's carefully find du. Since we're differentiating natural log, we put what's inside it in the denominator, and the derivative of what's inside the log, derivative of sine, that is cosine, in the numerator. And to find v, we take antiderivative of cosine. We can take it to be sine of x. Now, here is our integral, cosine x times the natural log of sine x. And so this is the integral of u dv. We set it equal to u times v, that would be sine x, times the natural log of sine x. So that's u times v minus the integral of v du. Look what happens. We have v, that's sine of x, and then du cosine x over sine x. And fortunately, sine in the numerator and denominator cancel, so our integral of v du is just the integral of cosine, which is easy to handle. So let's finish this problem. We started with the fairly challenging integral of cosine x times the natural log of sine x. After carefully picking u and dv, we're able to express it as sine x times the natural log of sine x minus the integral of cosine x. So this is equal to sine of x times ln of sine of x minus the integral of cosine is sine, so this is sine of x. Now we can add constant of integration at the end. We're done integrating, and we're going to simplify it. If we want to, we can factor out sine of x, and that leaves ln of sine x minus 1, and then add a c.